Primero.
Alright guys, fish on. Let's see what Mario's got. Let's see.
Some kind of shark.
On the planer board.
Hombre, no viene nada.
No, it's because you're fighting that. So ahorita yo voy a quitar eso. Alright guys, see what we got. First, I haven't been out here in like 3 weeks. ¿Te sientes o no? ¿Agarro o no?
Y a razón se fue.
Hijo. Nada.
No tira.
¿No?
Sí se ve enganchado, estira bien fuerte.
Yeah,
Sí, se fue.
eso se fue.
Sí sentí, por eso le decía que... Porque la vez pasada lo traía y andaba peleando.
He let go, guys.
Pero cuando lo agarré sí estaba.
Sí, no, sí estaba
Y
ahí.
luego se soltó. Hágale, dile un jalón. There we go. Good stuff.
No pressing the net. All right, guys, take two. Yeah, todavía está tirando.
Sí, está tirando. Some weight to it. That's it. Yeah, 12 inches. Yep. I think that one's great. Esta ahí tiene que tener la medida. Busca.
All right, guys, first fish of the morning, channel cat. Nice. Sí, eso nada más tiene que tener 12 pulgadas.
Ah, ok.
Pero eso ya, sí.
Sí, tiene más.
All right, guy, first fish of the morning. No skunk. All right, there he is.
Está gordito.
All right, we'll see if we can get some blues. It's a decent channel for here. We shall see. Get it. There you go.
I'll get the next one. Bueno. Cánchalo. Se me que es un rojo.
No, I wish.
Those give a really nice fight.
Yeah.
Ay, que se peló ese también.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Yeah, gordo.
Is it just spinning?
Oh, wow.
Okay, stop. Bring it up. I need that thing over here. I need that over here. Walk back. Okay.
Ya tiene rato.
All right, you can get forward. You want to pass me the net?
The picture you took earlier?
Uh-huh.
I think it's something similar to what's on the screen right now.
What's this for?
Ah, I pensé que
Oh,
sería...
these are red.
No, it's the blue.
Oh, it's a crescent shit.
El mismo tamaño.
The
o
blue?
un poquito más
Yeah.
grande.
This is the blue cat.
Es igual, ¿no? Que el otro.
That's un blue, azul.
Blue cat.
It's a little bit bigger. Real
The
fat.
third, channel cat.
Yeah. Alright. Watch this over here.
Oh, that's...
Come on, buddy. Open up. Open up. Open your mouth.
Pero porque acá salí en el canal 41.
There we go. Alright guys, a little better. Like our fourth drift. Our second fish.
That's a good one. Está más grande que el otro.
Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the other. Get him.
Espérate, por ahí no. ¿O sí?
Sí. Aquí está el otro.
Alright guys, we're gonna pick up some jugs. Haven't dropped jugs in a while. We're gonna do it on this side. So we'll see if we have anything. Stay tuned. So usually if I see movement, I'll be able to tell you. I'm not seeing anything, but we gotta pick them up anyways. Yeah, just keep dropping it. I'll just open it. Yeah, I'll just open it. Alright guys, blue, first blue. Actually, second blue.
Second blue, yeah.
First blue on the jugs.
No, el primero no era azul.
El segundo.
No, el segundo era blue y ese blue también.
Alright guys, I haven't dropped jugs in a while, but thought today might be a tough day of fishing. So trying to load up some meat. It's a good way to get some meat on the boat.
¿Está agarrando que sí, tío? No, agárralo. Como el pelito.
Dang it guys, I turned off the camera. We got another one.
Yo es lo que no, porque no
Sí, pero yo lo vi que el jug se movió antes que llegamos. Alright guys, that's 2 on the jugs. So far 2 out of 9. Not great odds, but some fish. Alright guys, so my first guided trip out of the new boat, and came out with Jose, his uncle Mario, and his cousin. They've come out with me twice before, once for reds. We did pretty good. Last time they came out for cats, and we did pretty good. And today they came out for cats, and I mean, we did okay. We ended up getting 4. You know, we only got 2 drifting. We lost 1 while on the drift also, and then we got 2 on jugs. So you'll see that in the video. But yeah, I mean, slow day, tough day. Started off real cold, and then it warmed up pretty quick. But most of the morning we really didn't have any wind, so we had to drift with the iPilot. But yeah, so enjoy the video. I think this is the first video after Mateo's been born. So Mateo came along, he's growing. eating, sleeping, growing. So it's gonna be a big boy. So yeah, so enjoy the video, and I will see you all next time. Later.